We who are engaged in law enforcement see the results daily in the ungoverned activities of teenage boys and girls who are responsible for a percentage of crime out of all proportion to their age group. This is indeed a serious indictment for inclusion in the fingerprint. Now is the time for action. The need for giving American youth what is justly his, guidance, training, discipline, proper surroundings, incentive, moral and spiritual development is more important than ever before in the history of our nation. The strength, the security, and the future of America depend upon the character and the quality of our youth.